All right, hail trackers. Well, it's March 18th today, and we're forecasting some hail for March 19th. And we haven't had a lot of forecasts for hail this year, so we're pretty excited about it. Probably something that we shouldn't be excited about because it's not going to set the world on fire with some big hail, but there is an opportunity there for tomorrow, March 19th. Go ahead and jump in, take a look at our hail forecast. This is what we're forecasting for. We've got some warm air that's going to surge up across Texas and should actually make it into southern parts of Oklahoma, with temperatures making it up into the 70s and 80s. And we'll have some moisture that's going to come up with that. And that's really been the one ingredient that we've been lacking, is that moisture and warm air combination. So we're going to have that across parts of northwest Texas and southwest Oklahoma. What we'll be lacking is the trigger, and that's going to develop across West Texas and move into northwest Texas and southwest Oklahoma. So that's what we're going to have. That's kind of the setup, and that'll trigger the possibility for hail in this area, parts across southwest Oklahoma and northwest Texas. So again, not going to set the world on fire with this hail threat, but it is there, and so we will be watching this area for some potentially large hail and even potentially damaging hail across, again, that area. So let's break it down for you, what we expect for hail size. We're expecting hail up to golf ball size. We think it'll be pretty isolated. I'm not expecting a whole lot of big hail, but there is the potential there. If it happens to hit the right area, then we could have some damaging hail and some people that would need some help in restoration with that process. So the chance of hail, only about 15%. Again, like I said, we're not going to be setting the world on fire with this, but the threat is there for some potentially large hail. And wind-driven hail, again, we're on the low scale here with 60-mile-per-hour winds possible. So again, we'll be monitoring the area. If you're a subscriber of Hail Trace, we'll be sending out text alerts letting you know where the large hail is, especially if it begins to impact some of those higher populated areas, Lawton, Altus, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas. So if anything happens in those areas, we'll be monitoring it to let you know what's going to be occurring across that area. We'll also update the forecast tomorrow. If anything changes, we'll let you know what the changes are with this potential for really the first hail event of 2015. So again, if you're a follower of ours, make sure to check us out. You can email us. You can follow us on all these social media platforms. If you have any questions, give us a shout on any of these platforms. We'll be happy to answer those questions. And we hope you have a great day.